Integrated travel solutions. At the Mayan Ruins in Cozumel, we have some ruins right here in front of us. The question people want to know is, what were the Mayans doing with all of this building in the jungle? They were building something to last and last.
This is where they sacrificed the people, I think.
The blood ritual.
Yes, the blood rituals.
Right.
I would like to know why they stopped the calendar in 2012.
What happened to the Mayan calendar? Right.
Were they overtaken by another tribe? Had they all sacrificed themselves?
Integrated Travel Solutions has their own ancient alien theorist with us today.
Yes.
We have our guide begging us on. More footage later.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're in beautiful Cozumel, Mexico, one of our favorite ports on Royal Caribbean Voyager of the Seas.
We started our day at the San Gervasio Mayan Ruins. These ruins were once a sacred pilgrimage site, especially for Mayan women honoring the goddess Ixchel, the deity of fertility and medicine. It's a peaceful and spiritual place surrounded by dense jungle and ancient stone structures that date back over 1,500 years.
After the ruins, our guide took us to an island tour where we got to see different sides of Cozumel. The lush landscape, colorful roadside stops, and a quick taste of island life. Our guide was super knowledgeable and shared a lot about the local traditions, the economy, and how tourism impacts the island.
Next on tap, we spent time at a quiet beach where we could relax, grab a drink, and dip our toes in the warm Caribbean water. There were shaded loungers, clean facilities for changing into your swimsuit and out of your swimsuit to get back on the bus, and plenty of time to unwind. Not a lot of crowds, no chaos, just island serenity.
Hidden in the lush jungle of Cozumel, the Mayan Bee Sanctuary connects you to nature and tradition. Here, sacred stingless bees produce honey believed to have healing properties, used by generations of Mayan healers. The shamanic cleansing was a deeply peaceful experience, meant to purify the soul and restore inner harmony. Whether you believe in the ritual or not, it was moving to witness something so rooted in ancient culture.
In chaotic stage. Sa aton malumuk, halaj winik, amusing kap. Sa aton malumuk, halaj winik, shunang kap,
Thanks so much for coming along with us. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more cruise and travel adventures. See you in the next one.